We've been told for decades that a bigger number on a bottle always means better liquid in the glass. But if you've been in the whisky world for a while, you know there are so many factors at play which can affect quality, from alcohol level to cask quality to production techniques.
In reality, a 10-year-old malt can easily outperform a 21-year-old if it's made with what we call the Enthusiast Trinity. Natural colour, an ABV of at least 46%, and no chill filtering. If you aren't familiar with that last one, it's a process of freezing the whisky to remove natural oils so it doesn't go cloudy with ice. It makes the whisky look pretty on a shelf, but it can leave the texture feeling a bit thin.
Today I've picked 3 whiskies from smaller houses which meet each of these pillars and ignore the age statement arms race. These prove that presentation and integrity matter infinitely more than the number on the tube. And stick around to the end where I'll be giving you a discount code for our website so you can add to your collection.
First up is the Arran 10. This is the classic example that a young entry-level malt can outweigh a bottle twice its age. Arran is a bit of a legend in the indie scene. They opened in the mid-90s and basically set the blueprint for the modern independent distillery, refusing to hide behind heavy peat or aggressive wood. While many famous 18-year-olds are diluted down to 40% ABV, Arran bottles this at 46%.
It has this bright orchard fruit character with lots of green apple and lemon zest, but the real age killer here is the texture. Because it's not been stripped of its natural oils, it has this really rich, honeyed mouthfeel that makes it feel actually a lot more mature than many whiskies triple its price.
Next, we're looking at the Glencadam 15. In a market where brands use caramel colouring to fake the dark look of an old whisky, Glencadam is fiercely traditional. They've never used artificial colouring in their core range, letting the spirit do the talking. It's made with unique upward sloping line arms on their stills, meaning only the lightest, most elegant vapours make it through.
The result is really delicate. Think panna cotta and sugared almonds. And even though it's 15 years old, it actually feels a lot more sophisticated than a lot of over-oaked 21-year-olds out there, because the distillery trusts the quality of the spirit rather than trying to fix it with additives. Also, it's a great one for enthusiasts who appreciate a bit of heritage.
Finally, the bottle that truly puts the age myth to bed, the GlenAllachie 10 cask strength. If you're looking for a sherry bomb, you don't need to spend hundreds on a dusty 25-year-old. Whisky legend Billy Walker has turned this distillery into a playground for world-class wood management. This uses a mix of Pedro Jimenez, Oloroso, Virgin Oak and Rioja casks.
Because it's bottled at cask strength, usually around 58% depending on the batch, it's full of more dark chocolate, mocha and raisin notes than so many diluted luxury bottles out there. It proves that quality casks and an uncut spirit can make a 10-year-old just as intense on flavour as a decades-old bottle. So those are my 3 picks that prove that age doesn't always tell the full story. As a thank you for watching, you can now use the code ENTHUSIAST at checkout on our website to get 10% off your next whisky order, available until the end of April. Do you agree with our list? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more similar content.